Today, we're going to be talking about something that every investor faces, and that's losses. But here's the thing, even though I lost today, I'm still winning, and I'm going to explain to you why. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on all of my latest videos. Use my referral links if you're ready to open up a new account. Leave me a comment and consider joining channel membership. So, first things first, investing is going to come with some losses, and that cannot be avoided. No matter how much research you do, how careful you think you are, there's going to be days when the market is down. But these losses do not define me as an investor. They're part of the journey, they're part of the process, and all I do is learn from these times. Take on the knowledge and lesson that days like this show me. So, for instance, today the markets are down. According to a recent article I was taking a look at on Business Insider, there are several reasons why all of the indices, several stocks are down today. And to start off with, comments by our political leaders, industry leaders of some of our top Fortune 500 companies, economic data that came out below expectations, geopolitical tensions, a shift in investor sentiment. Let me know in the comments if you have any other thoughts on why the stock market is down today. So we can see the Nasdaq and S&P are clearly in the red, and the Dow Jones was just up by 0.59%. Now, taking a quick look at the larger sectors on the heat map, you see it is clearly also a red day across the board. It's important to stay informed and understand the broader market trends that influence stock prices. So, as I said, even though I lost today, in the grand scheme of things, I'm still winning. Why? Because investing for me is a long term game. A red day does not define my strategy. The red days do not ruin my mindset. I know that I have a diversified, solid investment strategy in place. I just focus on that and know that I am on track towards achieving my goals. It's important to stay informed. It is critical to keep your eyes open for buying opportunities, especially during these type of market downturns. So, my overall portfolio, and I'm just using Webull for today's example, on today's date, 7/17, I am down $820.58. And I never look at my portfolio in this way. I only looked at it this way today in preparation for this video. Now, I do filter in by the day to see my achievements, like as far as options trading, like I did on this week, Monday. I filtered it down to Monday's date and options to see my total profit and loss. But as far as my long term investments, this is not a normal thing that I do. But I could see the overall market was red, and I knew if I took a look at it on the day, this is what I would be able to show you. Overall, down 820. Now let's take a closer look at one of the investments, and we're going to use Apple as an example. On that position alone, I'm down 312 of the over 800 that I just shared. But my Apple position is up 51.81%. I'm up over $4,000 just from holding Apple stock. So if my goal today wasn't to dig deep into my portfolio and show you what a red day looks like, I would not have noticed that I was down this 2.35% because I'm more focused on the long term. I know that Apple is a company that I want to have in my portfolio for the long term, and it's definitely in the green. So being down 2% today does not impact me. As I touched on, when the market dips, it can be a great time to buy quality stocks at a discount. We want everything else when it's on sale. Why not our investments? Instead of panicking, if you just started to build in particular position and it is in the red, truly in the red, you're seeing the pullback in your overall position, don't let that bother you. Like I said, don't panic. Take a good look, evaluate your decision for investing into that particular stock or ETF and make a decision from there. Is this an opportunity to go harder? Is this a company that had good fundamentals? Is it likely to recover? And when you look back years down the road, you wish you had invested more. With being ready for these opportunities, you have to be ready with that buying power. So, this means I have to keep a portion of my portfolio in cash so that I'm ready to take advantage of these opportunities when they arise. Remember, timing the market perfectly is impossible. But being prepared to invest during downturns can pay off significantly in the long run. And remember, as far as having that uninvested cash waiting in your brokerage account for when these times arise, I'm getting 4.9 to 5.1% on that cash while it's sitting. So, just as good, if not better, than many of us are getting in our high yield savings account or our money market account or wherever we're having our money sitting as savings. So, some losses in your portfolio are just a stepping stone. Even the most successful investor is going to face that from time to time. But we have to stay calm and just focus on, like I said, the opportunities that may be in front of us. I'm just going to be keeping my focus on my long term goals, staying informed and positive, especially because I know that I've put in the work into knowing what I wanted to add into my portfolio and hold for the long term. I have faith and belief in the investments that I'm currently holding. So, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at two companies that have earnings coming up tomorrow. Ticker symbol TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor, and ticker symbol NFLX, Netflix. So we'll be able to see how those two companies are moving at the end of the week after their earnings announcements. So thanks for watching. I hope you found these insights helpful and they encourage you to look at market downturns differently. Stick to your strategy, stay consistent with your investing, with your dollar cost averaging, building out these positions, especially when you can catch them on sale. Make sure to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. My referral links will be in the description and pinned in the comments. And I will be coming to you with more updates soon. Okay, bye.